In 2017, George Pitts faced financial chaos, living paycheck to paycheck in Texas. With a dismal credit score below 500, his struggle felt relentless and suffocating. Desperation drove him to take action, educating himself on credit repair and financial stability. After diving into blogs and forums, he transformed his financial reality completely. By building a home and improving his credit score by an astounding 300 points, Pitts discovered a passion for helping others overcome similar financial struggles. Through his platforms, he empowers countless individuals to create financial abundance. His journey began by sharing his real-life story, captivating an audience online. Using the Periscope app, he launched his eBay store, answering questions with genuine enthusiasm. Seeing requests pour in for eBay coaching, he realized he could teach others effectively. After hiring a sales coach, he launched his first online eBay course brimming with success. This initial class not only sold out, but ignited his desire to help others more. Pitts strategically curated his content and nurtured his growing email list to maximize impact. He created 3 tiers of courses, providing value to both beginners and advanced learners. By performing thorough market research, he learned how to price offers effectively, ensuring success.